with Russia holding back on their more modern, newly upgraded and newly built tanks for a potential bigger assault in the future. They send their older stocks more frequently. With less protection, less situational awareness and poor strategy leaves these easily to catch fire and be completely destroyed. Seen with a T-62 tank having an ammunition cook-off when getting hit, showing the difference between even older tanks which has less protection, resulting in higher casualties, destroying more of Russia's tanks, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.